All clear on this side, let them through. Roger that. Gates closing behind the last one.
All vitals look strong. This group is clear.
Confirmed. Updating the records now.
Keep moving, straight ahead now. Next group, let's go.
Findings for cow 74. Eyes are clear, pupils responsive. No abnormalities detected.
Clear visualization on the scope, looks good.
Confirmed. Data uploaded to the database.
Look here, this discoloration confirms the early stages of fluorosis.
Noted. I'll add that to the record and schedule a follow-up.
Body condition score is a 7. Noted. The ultrasound confirms adequate marbling. Data synced to the central database.
The accuracy is remarkable, 852 kilograms.
Matches the previous entry.
Confirmed. Releasing the gate.
The readings look excellent. Go ahead and log that as passed in the system.
Confirmed. Status updated to verified.
The hindquarter movement seems restricted. Agreed. Let's note the inflammation markers. The respiration rate is stable at 35 breaths per minute.
Good, the lung sounds are clear. Record that in the main file. Temperature reads normal. Data secured. Okay, moving this one out, bring the next chairless forward.
The database shows a complete match for the scan tags.
Excellent. That confirms full traceability for this group. The results are all positive, quality requirements met across the board. That's wonderful news. We can finalize the records. All parameters met for this group. Record the final approval digitally.
Confirmed, Supervisor. It is logged.
All right, keep the pace steady, move along now. Clear on the left side.
I found a minor imperfection right here. We should mark this section for trimming.
Agreed. Make a note of the coordinates.
Small scuff right here near the center. Yeah, got it. Recording as minor defect in section 3.
Check the pressure on the left side. It needs more attention. Adjusting the settings now. Keep it moving.
Check the pressure on rollers 3 and 4. It's holding steady at the target range.
Look at this spot here. Yes, I see it. Mark it for trimming.
How are the residue levels looking on this batch? Everything is within the acceptable range, Supervisor.
Are we satisfied with the clean?
Yes, the surface is perfect. Logging the results now.
Make sure the grain matches exactly here before we start the cut. We need to maximize the yield on this hide.
Levels are stable. We are ready for the brown treatment. Confirmed. Starting sequence now.
Moisture levels are stable across the batch. Good, we can send this to finishing.
We'll start the cut sequence here as per the plan.
Confirmed. The digital manifest matches the templates.
This variation here, is it acceptable? No, set that aside. The rest of this stack is approved, though. Proceed to storage.
This batch goes on rack 12, slot 4. Got it. Looks secure.
Inventory check complete for this section. The system shows everything is accurate. Good job.
The grain quality on this hide is superb. No defects noted.
Confirmed. All digital metrics are green. We can approve this lot.
Here are the records for batch 304.
Yeah, never mind.
Everything matches the quality standards. We can approve the release.
We need to ensure the brown leather jackets are prioritized today.
Yes, I've adjusted the schedule accordingly.
All the leather pieces have been checked. Excellent. We can begin assembly on the sleeves. The stitching on the collar is secure, and the leather grain meets the standard. Approved.